Okay, I'm going to see how this comes out. So here's the mold, and this is what came out of it. So this is the first silicone casting I've tried to do. This is the Metacarpals piece, and you can see the bottom of this board is unpopulated. You can see the connector end over here under my left hand finger. But I did need to try a few things regarding this encapsulation strategy. It did this. So that was the primary goal, is to eliminate the preferential plane of flex. That works pretty well. It seems like it's all encapsulated to the point where I feel confident I could dip this in water and have it not have enough ingress to matter. This was just simply poured in. I laid polyimide tape over the top, and then poured silicone in, closed the tape up, and then let it cure. So some of the downsides is that, let's see, you can see that it has a tendency to want to curve this way because of the tension imparted by the copper. So it looks like a helix is not going to be ideal. That probably wouldn't matter in practice, but it does make it a little bit difficult to arrange in the textile. So I'll have to do a corrugation as the next test. But getting the molds separated was a bit of a pill too. Some of my previous experience dealing with silicone and PLA, I can see all of the print lines in the side of this, and it probably won't come out in the video. But rest assured, that surface area is much higher than it would appear if you simply modeled it in those shapes. These came out pretty well. I wasn't sure how well those would be defined. The little circular crosscuts there for to hold the other bundles, which I still have yet to run any of those off. So lesson learned, probably don't run it as a helix, probably do it as straight corrugation. Doesn't appear to require vacuum, I still see some bubbles in there, but that's not such a big deal. The size is more than adequate, so I might even back that tail length off a little bit. But that's going to stretch with. That'll work out nicely, I think. So more mold work.